Hi, I'm from PC Error Detective, and today I will show you how to boost mic volume in Windows 11, so you can make sure your voice is heard clearly during calls or recordings. In this video, I will guide you step by step to increase your microphone volume easily. Step 1. Right-click the sound icon in the bottom right corner of your taskbar. This is where Windows controls your audio, and selecting sound settings will open all the options you need to adjust your microphone. Step 2. Go to System and then select Sound. This section lets you manage all audio devices on your computer, including speakers and microphones. Step 3. Scroll to the bottom of the page and click on More Sound Settings. This opens a detailed window where you can access advanced audio settings that are not available in the main sound menu. Step 4. In the pop-up window, go to the Recording tab. This tab lists all microphones connected to your computer, showing which one is currently active. Step 5. Find your microphone, select it, and press Properties. This opens a window where you can adjust your mic settings, making sure it works at the right level for your needs. Step 6. Go to the Levels tab. Here, you can control the main microphone volume and make small adjustments to improve your sound quality. Step 7. Increase the microphone volume, and if available, adjust the microphone boost slider. This helps make your voice louder and clearer, which is especially useful for recording or online calls. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful Windows tips.